Gaganda ng mga friends ko talaga. Diba? Wala akong friend na hindi maganda. Lalo na tong tisay na to, na isa pa. Hi! Yan, isa-isa. Kayang-kaya, hindi pa kami mga lola. Welcome aboard! Hi dear! Ayan. How are you, my friend?
Ay, white sand pala siya. Parang Boracay. Pero, mas konti lang ang tao. So, ang feeling namin, solo. Solo namin itong mga nipahat na mga ito. Oh, dito kami kakain. Nature tripping ang dating. This chapel is built by architect and Monsignor Guillermo Gaston for the farm's workers, located in Hacienda Santa Rosalia. Ang galing ng roof ng chapel, para siyang wooden sa lakot. Tignan mo ang walls, oh.
Time I've seen a chapel made of cartwheels here at Municipal of Malaclac in Bacolod. Ang ganda din po. Masukin natin yung loob.
Look at the walls. The walls are made from discarded Carabao cartwheels as well. It's so intricate. The design is made by Monsignor Gaston as well. Etong wooden benches, they were donated and made by the families who go to Mass here. Wow! Ang galing! Punta na kami sa heritage houses dito sa Silay. Ayan, 1898 pa siya. Grabe, more than 100 years ago. Anong klase kayang mga bahay ito dati? Meron pa siya mga wall murals. Aba, na-preserve nila to. Ang galing-galing naman. Okay, eto na tayo kay Hofilenia Ancestral House. Ground floor pa lang nila, very impressive. Old piano, yung mga old chairs. At ang linis-linis, talagang well-maintained. Tingnan niyo yung mga plato. Yan, antik na antik ang dating. Collector's items na talaga siya. We were met by our tour guide, Mr. Rene Hofilenia, one of the heirs of the late Manuel Severino and his family. Ito ang kanilang residence talaga. Ina-explain niya yung mga muebles, yung mga antiques, kung ano yung mga nandun na mga gamit.
Times na nasira. So maraming Europeans came here before. So they bought their products and their arts and cultures. They even have zarzuelas here before. Okay. That's how popular Silay was before. Popular sa Bacolod. Mga hacienderos had their houses in the haciendas. So they used to cook sugarcane in the kawa. Mga bata, this is called woodcut, and then this wood you carve whatever you want, you place ink, and then you place it there, you cover it, you adjust the height so it will go in, and then you roll it in across para ma-print, ma-press siya. Press. This is a very good example of a print. Whenever you see a print, you should always look at the number under. That's the difference of the print from the painting. The number here is 1/18. 18 ang nagawa. This is the first print.
Our home base, Seda Hotel along Lacson Avenue. Good morning, Kuya! Ang lawak ng kanilang lobby. At very convenient ang location nila. Nasa gitna siya ng Lacson.
Pangalan mo?
Carl po.
Hi, Carl!
Welcome to Misto po.
Thank you! Suki ako ng Seda. Good morning, sister! Good morning! You like your hair? Nag-blower ka na.
Naka-makeup na. Lola.
Ay, muna ko. Morning, girl!
Ay nako, breakfast ba ito? Bakit parang lunch na to? Tingnan mo, pang-ulam talaga. Fruits? Yan, cereals? Ano tong mga nakatakip na to? Omelette? Pasta? Ano yun? Ang dami-dami naman. Apritada yata yun. Nako, hindi ako nakakapili. Ang dami-dami na sinigang pa. Ang sarap-sarap. Tama-tama. This is already my brunch. Ito naman tayo sa section na to. Ay, nahihilo ako. May arroz caldo. Ano kaya uunahin ko? Paano ko siya mauubos lahat? Everyone, my vacation in Bacolod just finished. So I stayed here at Seda
Hotel in Bacolod City. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Seda Hotel dito. Sige. It's very comfortable. The beds are big, king size, and they have a good restaurant. Of course, Misto, di ba? Suki na ako sa Seda. Everyone, if you're here in Bacolod, stay at Seda Hotel along Black Sun Avenue, and everything is here. Bye!